3 minutes to the close on Jobs Friday, March the 5th, 2021. Going over the 50K portfolio. It's a 10 strategy, 10 algorithmic trading system portfolio. New equity peaks today with just one trade plus 475 on Esser Countertrend Gold. And I want to show you the results for that. We see it's up 89.80 on the month through Thursday, and then today added about another 500 to that, so about 9,400 on the month. Here is the daily P&Ls. Monday, you see we're in a 86.2250 drawdown. We had been there for a couple of months, not going anywhere, and we took some patience to get out of this drawdown. And so 2 Mondays ago, minus 937.50, plus 895, and then Wednesday we had a big gain, plus 3,400, and then some good gains on Thursday, Friday. Came back on this past Monday, up 44.60. Came back yesterday, 56.95, one of the biggest days we've had in a while. In this portfolio, 3 strategies really doing well. And, Tuesday was a small gain, a new equity peaks. When this is zero, it's at equity peaks. So it got out of equity peaks on Monday, made a slightly new equity peak on Tuesday. Loss on Wednesday, gains yesterday, big gains yesterday, and today up another 475. And so it had been in a drawdown for a while. If we scroll back here, the last equity peak was right here. And then if we scroll all the way to the left, we can see that was October the 28th, 2020. So been in that drawdown since, I guess, November, December, January, and then February. So October, right at the end of October, new equity peaks, market close now, and you scroll down here and you're sitting here until the very beginning of March to get out of that equity, to get out of that drawdown. And so sometimes that happens, and you can see that in the width of these drawdown curves. And these are short-term strategies, but even with short-term trading systems, you kind of have to have a long-term perspective with the results. The analysis is short-term, but there are cycles, there's winning streaks and losing streaks and different cycles in the market, and you have wider equity. You have these wider, let me show you here. This is a drawdown curve. You can see that the width of the drawdown curve will tell you the length of the drawdown. This is the depth of the drawdown, how many dollars it draws down, and the time period for which it's in a drawdown. You see gray between the dark blue lines. So there can be times between equity peaks. You like these time periods right here where it's running up. You get these solid run-ups. Here's a pretty nice streak where there's no more than about a 4K drawdown for about a year. And then you get these time periods where there's run-ups, and there's times where there's ebbs and flows and cycles in the market. And overall, this is just how trading works in general. How investment works in general. Nothing just goes and hits at equity peaks all the time, but you can see the annual results, the long-term results for trading a portfolio like this. And this is a portfolio that was revised in December, revised again in January to change out one of our strategies, night trader to gap continuation and reverse. And so these are the latest results, latest setup through March the 4th, and we've gone over in our charts the results for March the 5th. So one additional day will be added to this portfolio calculator. I've updated the website, and I want to show you where you can get this. So you can come to the website. You see the calculator right here. I wanted to use the pen, I guess. Calculator, you can click on that, and then if you click on that, you get to here. You could download the spreadsheet that I just was looking at. You can look at this video to tell you instructions on how to use this. So those are the latest results for the 50K portfolio. If you want more information about the 50K portfolio, you go to Market Portfolios, click here, 50K Diversified Portfolio. We have the webinar replay and the latest results through March the 4th right there. You can do a quarterly or annual subscription on this setup.